Choosing the right preschool for your child can be a daunting task, but it's essential to ensure they receive the best possible education and care during their early years. In this video, we'll share some tips and advice on how to find the best preschool for your child. Welcome to our channel, where we strive to help parents navigate the challenges of raising happy and healthy children. In this video, we're going to discuss how to find the best preschool for your child. Preschool is a critical time for children, and it's essential to choose a school that aligns with your child's needs and values. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Research. The first step to finding the right preschool for your child is to research. Start by creating a list of potential preschools in your area. You can use online resources such as Yelp, Google reviews, and parent forums to find schools with good reputations. Additionally, you can ask for recommendations from friends, family, and other parents in your community. Tip 2. Visit the schools. Once you have a list of potential schools, it's time to visit them. During your visit, you'll have the opportunity to observe the classroom, meet the teachers, and ask questions about the curriculum and teaching philosophy. Take note of the school's environment, cleanliness, and overall vibe. Tip 3. Ask about the curriculum. The next step is to ask about the curriculum. You'll want to know what topics are covered and how the school approaches teaching. Some schools may focus on play-based learning, while others may have a more structured approach. Consider your child's learning style and needs when evaluating each school's curriculum. Tip 4. Consider the teacher-to-student ratio. Another critical factor to consider is the teacher-to-student ratio. A lower ratio means that your child will receive more one-on-one attention from the teacher. This is especially important for young children who need a lot of guidance and support. Tip 5. Check the safety measures. Lastly, check the safety measures in place at each school. You'll want to ensure that the school has proper security protocols, emergency plans, and a clean and safe environment. Safety should always be a top priority when choosing a preschool. Choosing the best preschool for your child requires research, visits, and careful consideration. Follow us for more ideas and increase growth of your preschool. Visit our website www.mykidreports.com.